Welcome back to the Haplast channel. Today, we will introduce you to our packing process for shipments to our Amazon warehouse. At Haplast, every shipment begins with precision. Each label represents not just a destination, but our commitment to excellence. Our labeling process ensures every package reaches its destination seamlessly, reflecting Haplast professionalism. Inside each carton lies eco-friendly plastic bags, reducing environmental impact. Packed with care and precision, every detail showcases Haplast's dedication to sustainability. Quality comes first. Before sealing, thorough inspections ensure every product meets Haplast's highest standards. The shipment label symbolizes Haplast's mission to deliver eco-friendly solutions with care. Haplast shipments are handled with precision, as pallets are carefully loaded for their journey to Amazon. The departing container carries Haplast's vision of sustainability to customers worldwide.